my subscribers. I'm getting ready to make an exciting dish again tonight. This is Chef LaWanda, Chef LaWanda Studios. Tonight I'm going to be preparing egg rolls. So I have the ingredients right in front of you, what we're using, and I'm going to be using the two kinds. I'm going to use pork and I'm going to use turkey. I'm also using the egg roll skins. I have chopped garlic, I have chopped up carrots, chopped up poblano, chopped up onions, and cabbage. I've got soy sauce. I've also got some sugar here, guys, that I'm going to be putting off in here. And it's got rice noodles. These rice noodles have been boiled in salt water, and they have also been taken out and settled down with cold ice water. I've chopped them up, and we're going to use those in the noodles as well. And I don't know if I said cabbage, but we're going to be using cabbage, just regular cabbage. Normally we would use bok choy of some sort, but we can use just regular cabbage. And of course I have my Quad Plus seasonings. So let's get started here, guys. Welcome. As you can see here, I've started the meat cooking here to make sure it gets really chopped up really fine. This is the pork. So you want to make sure it's nice and fine. I'm going to add the Quad Plus to it for seasoning. And we'll add some to the turkey as well. We'll let these get cooked really nice and done. Okay, so while these are cooking, you know turkey doesn't have hardly any fat to it. So I'm going to add a little bit of cooking oil to the turkey. Just to give it a little, to help the vegetables cook. I may go add a little bit to the pork also. Okay, so now here I'm going to add half of the garlic here and the other half in the turkey. I'm going to add half the onions to the turkey. All these vegetables I'm going to split in between the both. Poblano peppers, the carrots, and also the cabbage. Okay, we're going to mix these up. I'm going to try to get these meat and vegetables cooked really nice and tender and to the size where they won't be disturbing the roll when I get ready to roll them up. I've got all these on low. I'm cooking this on low. I'm going to add soy sauce to this. And it's going to be about let's just eyeball this. I'm going to say it's going to be about a tablespoon in each pan, tablespoon of soy sauce. And I'm adding sugar as well. So I have a teaspoon right here. I'm going to put a heaping teaspoon of sugar in each pan. So we're going to let these get really cooked down really well. And I'm going to drain the oil and juices off. And we're going to start our rolling process. Okay, toward the end of this cooking, as you can see, all the vegetables and meat has cooked thoroughly here. I'm going to add, and I forgot to mention this from the beginning, I'm going to add a teaspoon of cornstarch here in each one. Cornstarch is going to help it bind together, and I am also going to add the noodles. Half here and half there. Okay. And it's time to cut this off and get ready to roll. Okay, I'm back. I'm getting ready to roll these egg rolls. What I have here is egg wash, which is just egg and water. That's all it is. And this is to bind the egg roll skin together after it's stuffed. So let's go ahead and start this process. Over here we have the pork. And you can put ever much you want in here if you want. You can stretch this egg roll skin can be stretched. I'm putting like 1/4 of a cup of this in each one of these here. So this is how we roll it. Go like this, flap that way, then we go this way. I'm going to put a little egg wash on that. Then we're going to go this way, here, and I'm going to put a little egg wash on here, and then we'll roll. And this is our pork egg roll. Go ahead and try this one here. Just a little bit more of this one. This filling is so good. By the way, I tasted this earlier and it didn't have the flavor that I wanted, so I added some some garlic flavored olive oil to this. Okay, so here we go with the second pork. Then I'm going to fold this over this way. Hope you're getting to see this. Trying to tuck the filling in to make sure that it stays nice and tight. And then I'm going to fold this over and roll. And this is our other pork. Okay, so we're going to do this with the turkey and then we're going to start the frying process. Okay, we're done with the rolling. This is the pork. I've got this stove on medium high. I'm going to put this with the envelope side down. This side here, we're going to have this down. All of this is the pork. I'm going to let these get nice golden brown. And the inside is already cooked, remember? So all we need is for the egg roll skin to get nice brown. I'm going to turn this down on a medium. They're turning nice and brown. Now this is just regular vegetable oil I'm cooking in. Look at that, those are beautiful. Okay, now this is the pork. We're going to cook the turkey in the same way. And I'm going to make a little sauce and I'll get right back for the end result. Okay, this is our finished egg rolls. This is the pork egg rolls. I put something to distinguish that from the turkey. Right now I'm making a quick dipping sauce, and this is honey. And I'm going to use just some regular Louisiana hot sauce. I'm going to put like about a tablespoon of that in there. Then I've got the soy sauce. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of that in there. And okay, the lemon juice. I'm going to squeeze, that's about a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now I'm going to mix that around. This is just our dipping sauce for the egg rolls. Okay, that's it. We've got the, let's go ahead and cut the pork. Open up the pork egg rolls. Let you see that. Look at that. Mmm, delicious. That's our pork and our turkey. Okay, and this is our egg rolls. I hope you like this video. If you do, share this video. Click like on it. Tell somebody about this channel. And if you know someone that has not subscribed, ask them to subscribe, because I'm going to be popping up with lots of fabulous menus and recipes. So this is Chef LaWanda. Until the next video.